Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. We are learning second lesson, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay, so today's topic is combination of capacitors, means how we can connect capacitors. There are two ways. Okay, either we can connect them in series or in parallel. Today we are going to discuss series combination. Okay, so capacitors in series. In our new textbook, they have drawn somewhat complicated figures. Okay, so I have to draw it, but I will draw simple figures also to explain you better. Okay, so these are two capacitors. This is first capacitor having capacitance C1. This is second capacitor having capacitance C2. And they are connected in the battery. Positive terminal is here and negative terminal is here. That in textbook they are not shown, so I have drawn here. Okay, C1 and C2. They are connected like this with battery. See, for battery, the symbol is like this. Okay, for positive, big line. For negative, small. For capacitor, both the lines are equal. Okay, symbols. What will happen? Let's see, some electrons, okay, will transfer to this capacitor. Okay, due to that, suppose here minus Q charge is deposited. One may think that how much charge will be deposited. That I have already explained you that after some level of some value of deposited charge, leakage will take place. So after some time, we cannot deposit more charge. Okay, so here suppose the maximum charge stored. Actually, this is called charging of capacitor. Suppose it is minus Q. Okay, so what will happen? That here minus Q charge is deposited. Okay. So we know that total charge on capacitor is 0. That means here there will be positive Q charge. We can say induced. Okay, due to this, some electrons will go here. Repulsion. Okay. So net charge here has now become 0. Now here it is minus Q, so here it will be plus Q. So some electrons will be traveling in this direction. Okay. So this is called charging of capacitor in simple words. But now see, in series the charges on both the capacitors are equal. Okay, and the effect of these two capacitors, okay, is called equivalent circuit. That not drawn in textbook. Equivalent circuit, and the effective capacitance is C. Or say equivalent capacitance. Other word is equivalent capacitance. So this is easy figure for you to understand. Okay. See, here potential difference is V1. Here it is V2. Okay. Potential difference also we have to write. Here it is V1. Here it is V2. Then I have written here V1 and V2. Total potential difference is V. Okay. So we know that V equals to V1 plus V2. Now C, capacitance C1 will be equal to Q by V1. So V1 can be written as Q by C1. Similarly, V2 can be written as Q by C2. And V can be written as Q by C. Okay, where C is the equivalent capacitance, or say effective capacitance, or say resultant capacitance. Okay, so putting here values, V is Q by C, V1 is Q by C1, V2 is Q by C2, therefore Q will be cancelled. 1 upon C equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. Okay. Now if we take n capacitors, okay, we can write like this. This is C1, this is first capacitor having capacitance C1, this is second having capacitance C2, this is third having capacitance C3, this is n having capacitance Cn. And potential differences are V1, V2, V3 up to Vn, and total potential difference is V. Okay. Okay, so here V will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus up to Vn. V is Q by C, where C is equivalent C. This is the simple figure of this. Okay, and this is equivalent circuit. So we know that C equals to Q by V, so V will be equal to Q by C. So V1 will be equal to Q by C1, V2 will be equal to Q by C2, up to Vn will be equal to Q by Cn, so Q will be cancelled. So 1 upon C equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 up to 1 upon Cn. We can say that reciprocal of effective capacitance is sum of reciprocals of all the capacitance. Okay, reciprocal of effective capacitance is sum of reciprocals of all the capacitances. Okay, now in this case, suppose in case of two capacitors, if I take C1 as 5 microfarad and C2 as 10 microfarad, what will happen? Putting the values 1 upon C equals to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10, so it is 3 by 10. So C will be equal to 10 by 3, that will be 3.333 microfarad. Okay, now we have connected two capacitors, out of which one had value 5 microfarad, other had 10 microfarad, but the effective is less than 5. So in series combination of capacitors, the resultant capacitance has less value than the list of connected. Okay, less value than the list. Okay, so take screenshot, prepare well, bye.